guys, this is video diary excerpt number 3. We're getting ready to head off to Eau Claire for the competition. It's pretty amazing here, slightly different from when I was here in February, under 2 feet of snow. Just loading up the wagon, ready to go, and looking forward to seeing what wood I've got. Hello, morning home. Yeah, setting off on the road to Eau Claire. Probably can't hear this because of the engine noise. Say hi, Steven. Hello. Hello, Mum. So yeah, it was Steven and Aaron in his truck. Manly truck, very manly truck, heading out on a very manly convoy.
Have a manly breakdown.
We'll probably definitely have a manly breakdown. So maybe more than a 4-hour trip, but well, we're here in Eau Claire, and behind me you will see my piece of wood that I'm going to do my piece from. It's white pine, like everybody's got. There's a lot of people turned up so far. There's a few left to come. Chris Foltz isn't here yet. He's being picked up tonight. Looking forward to seeing him. Been a while. Yeah, so any suggestions on what I could do? I've got a couple of plans, but just got to decide. It's going to be a sleepless night tonight. It'll be running through my mind, so I don't think I'm going to get much rest. Yeah.